everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to update or reinstall OnePay to fix login errors. First of all, open your app store, then search for OnePay mobile banking and then update it. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so make sure to update it to the latest version. If broken, then go to the app and then long press on the icon, click remove app and then delete the app. Now if you want to reinstall it, go to the app store, search for OnePay mobile banking again and then re-download it. Then log in with OTP, set PIN again. Safety tip, only use the official version. Quick fix, restart iPhone before reinstalling, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.